TAICO independently develop and manufacture inverters, and our solid-state batteries are compatible with mainstream inverters such as Deye, Growatt, and Victron. TAICO holds numerous international specifications, and including ISO 901, ISO 1401, and CE, UL, and more than 10 others. And TAICO products meet the international technical specifications of the major global markets. And the CE specifications ensures the worry-free sales in 27 European countries. And the UL specifications meets the safety performance requirements of the US users.
We have made partnerships with many top 10 sales brands such as Hatter, EVE, Highfield, and Providing. More importantly, we are contract partner of Highfield and EVE. And battery sales from our factory are traceable, and you can scan in QR code of a selected battery, review the detailed information of each battery cell. This shows the quality of our battery and our product. We are a source battery manufacturer with over 20 years. We are not only provide like a full battery, but also we have launched solid-state batteries. In OEM services, we have rich experience with support for customizations. For example, we can customize logo experience functionality. We use top 3 EMS brand TAICO. It comprehensively applied to home energy storage, commercial and large-scale energy storage system. It has the power of 108 and port overcharge, over-discharge protection, balancing, and communication capabilities. Our solid-state battery products provide more than 10,000 circles, and our regular lab-fuel batteries provide more than 8,000 circles. TAICO provides no 5-year warranty and a low on the sales. We have our dedicated professional engineer for responsible our after sales service. And we can also provide free training as well as we can encourage our engineers on site. We have a flexible minimum order quantity. TAICO welcomes both small sample order or large volume purchases, supported by 3 modern assembly production line of an automation line of 98%. Growatt our level of battery pack production line, inverter production line, TAICO annual capacity reaches to 5 GWh and 500,000 inverters.